Hi YouTube. Today I managed to put my hands on a display of ghosts from the past. This set was delivered to Poland yesterday evening and I went to get it as soon as possible. Okay, so let's dig in. Of course, this set is full of fillers, etc. And the only thing that would get my money back are probably ghosts. So the display looks like that. From what I have heard, the ghost rares are really rare. It's like sometimes in one case there is only one, sometimes none ghost rares, and there are some cases that have, I don't know, like 3 ghost rares. So for the first 3 packs, let's start. Okay, so I was hoping to get Dark Magician Ghost Rare. So let's start with this one. Okay. Update Jammer. Okay, that's a nice rarity upgrade. Cosmo, Artifact Tyrandal, Galaxa F, Cypher X Dragon. I am also hoping to get Shadows and maybe the Dragonity card. Okay, Evil Turn. I have pulled this countless times when I was opening the set that introduced Power Tool Dragon. It was like I was pulling only these cards. Okay, Mask Change 2 and Starry Night Sky. Ojama Country, Sun Avalon Blue, Metal Falls Counter, Cosmotinkan, and Laval Arc. So nothing too crazy here. Maybe I'll pull evenly matched. That would be good as well. Madolche cards are also in this set. Resonator Call, Hieratic Dragon of Asset, Sunvine Thrasher. So nothing too crazy yet. Okay, Sunvine Shrine, Madolche Chateau, Rare Metal Falls Bismugear, Star Knight Astal, and Testalos, the Mega Monarch. Okay, I did not know that there are monarchs in this set. Okay, Mist Valley Baby Rock. From what I have seen, it's like a €2 card, so at least some value. Okay, Splash Mage, upgrade in rarity, that's good. Metal Falls Fusion, Dragon Knight Dragon Equista, Hieratic Seal of the Heavenly Spheres. I believe that this has some value. So let me know what you think about this set. I think that making ghost rares more rare is a pretty good thing to do, just like in Rage of Ra, but you know, there's probably no value in this set, nothing too crazy, nothing too supportive. I don't know. It's like funny set, but they should put more chases here. Okay, Buster Dragon. This has some value as well, I believe. And another Starry Night Sky. Okay, so here we have Backup Secretary. That's a good rarity upgrade as well. Time Thieves are also in this set. Hieratic Seal of Reflection, Starry Night Ceremony. Alright. Time Thief Flyback, Metal Force Combination, Terror of Trishula, Gigantes, and Dragonite Claw. Man, nothing. So to the fourth booster pack box. Okay, Phantom Knight's Fogblade. Okay, Danger Thunderbird. It's a good card to pull. Emergency Teleport and Dragonite Glow. Fairy Tail Roshka, Dragonite Draft, Hieratic Seal of Convocation, Galaxy Ice Cipher, Blade Dragon, and Dragonite Armagram. Okay. Access Burst, Mimo. That's a pretty cute card. Dark Requiem, XYZ Dragon, Hieratic Seal, Time Thief Adjuster. Oh man. So, last box, ladies and gentlemen. Maybe something. Madolche Fresh Sister, Seiya Ryu, Phantom Knight's Fogblade, Orchestrated Return. Madolche Pudding Says, Metal Fox Counter, Time Thief Bezel Ship, Royal Prison, Hieratic Sky Dragon, Overlord of Heliopolis. That's a pretty long name. Okay, so the last booster, please something. Please evenly matched something. Okay, Mask Change, Resonator Engine, the Monarch's Erupt, Emergency Teleport, and Meteor Black Comet Dragon. I believe that is worth something. I'm not sure if a lot. Okay guys, I'm not even counting the value of this box. I don't want to disappoint myself. Thanks for watching today and see you soon in more videos. Let me know in the comments what you've pulled and remember to hit that subscribe button.